in 1889, and that store was near Caracat. And Mr. Godin is a farmer too, and we have the post office in the store. And people came here for the thing they don't produce for importation: sugar, tea, molasses, fabric, and they buy a lot by credit and they bartered. No credit on good dishes. It's not a necessity. They receive that for wedding gift and they don't use it. Too good. In Big Barrel we have some flaxseed, white flour, and whole wheat. They plant the flax for the linen. White flour, more refined, more expensive. Rich people eat white bread. And he don't live here. He built a new house. We have the back store with the big barrel of molasses.
Wow.
And the red one under the stairs, it's a washing machine. You can have a look.
All right. Thank you.